They're about to be here.
Oh, all right. All the detail looks on point. That's what they're going to be looking for. And I think at this point, we're good. Come on. Come on in, my love. First one.
Welcome.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey,
Welcome to our
guys.
kitchen.
What a kitchen.
This is a vibe.
Just what an experience.
This is our organic, modern kitchen.
We wanted it to feel like you were at the beach in a natural way, but not slapping you in the face with a beach sign.
Coming up the steps, this was the perfect wall for your kitchen focal point. It's the longest wall, the one you can fully appreciate from room perspective. I'm looking at your decision to even divide the space.
I like that.
I do.
I like that.
It doesn't feel compartmentalized.
Not at all.
It is still breathable. It's not claustrophobic. It's a moment because if you really look at life upside down, you're on a boat. You know, you've got your shiplap and you've got your beams, and then with the arches, it's as if the boat is upside down.
I love that.
These arches are stunning.
Thank you.